Have you ever worried about your money when shopping online or making a quick transfer? In a world where digital scams are becoming more sophisticated, protecting your finances is more important than ever. So, how does a digital bank like Revolut stand up to the challenge and keep your money safe? It all starts with a layered approach to security, and Revolut has built its system from the ground up to protect you at every turn. Their first line of defense is a powerful one: sophisticated machine learning and AI. These systems constantly analyze millions of transactions in real time. They aren't just looking for big, obvious fraud, they're looking for unusual spending patterns, like a large purchase in a country you've never been to, or a sudden transfer to a new recipient. If something looks suspicious, the system can instantly flag the transaction, sometimes even freezing your card and sending you an in-app alert. This proactive approach helps stop fraud in its tracks before you've even had a chance to realize what's happening. But what about the tools you control? Revolut puts a lot of power in your hands. A key feature is the ability to instantly freeze and unfreeze your card right from the app. Lost your card? One tap locks it down. Found it again? Another tap and it's back to normal. No waiting on hold, no hassle. They also offer disposable virtual cards for online shopping. These are one-time use cards with unique details that are instantly deleted after a single transaction, making it impossible for scammers to reuse your card information. And for sensitive transactions, Revolut uses multi-factor authentication, requiring you to confirm payments with a passcode or biometric ID like your fingerprint or face. This ensures that even if a fraudster gets a hold of your login details, they can't make a move without you. Plus, their dedicated 24/7 financial crime team is always on standby to investigate and respond to the highest risk cases. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.